Okay, good day. I am from Exil Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data in Cobel Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am. 100% sure.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am. I'm perfectly healthy and fit to work 100%.
Okay, very good. So it's because if you are unhealthy, better stay in the Philippines so that you cannot give us trouble also, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so do you have any friends or any family members working here?
None, ma'am.
Nanya, is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, I am Mylene Rhea Peros, 27 years old from Ilocos Sur Province, Philippines. And I used to work as a customer service representative at Ilocos Norte for more than a year. And then after that, I've been a financial analyst or business process associate as well in Ilocos Norte for less than or almost 5 years. That was last year. And then I have decided to have independently work at home, which is a freelance email handling or virtual assistant until now. And so that's why I've decided also as well to try my luck and work with some of my clients since I have or I had a Malaysian client as well before.
Okay, so but do you know what are you up to? You were going to apply as a domestic helper and it's quite far away from your field. So are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am perfectly ready for it. I've been working from home last year and I have already enhanced my skills at home, homeworks or houseworks.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first before we proceed to your working experience, okay? So are you
Okay.
single or married?
Single.
Do you have children?
None.
When is your birthday?
I was born on July 20, 1997.
What is your height and your weight?
I am 154 centimeters and my weight is 55 kilograms.
Okay, what is your religion?
I am a Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I have graduated college. I took up business administration with major in human resource development management.
Okay, so is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How
I
many?
have already talked to my mother.
Okay,
Yes.
so can you tell me about your family details?
I am the youngest of the two siblings. My mother is a farmer, and my father used to be a soldier. However, he passed away when I was just less than 1 year old. So
Okay, so how many brother and sister do you have?
I only have an older brother in me.
Okay, so in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience, as you have mentioned just a while ago, way back 2017 to 2019 for 2 years, is a customer service representative, is it?
Yes, ma'am. It was a customer service representative in Ilocos Norte. That was at night. And by morning, I used to work part time. Though it's a part time work during my day offs, I have been part time at my neighbors. Yeah, neighbors at my dormitory before. They used to have kids, however, they cannot manage it because of some they were busy parents, and
Mm-hmm.
I've been helping them with their houseworks and babysitting.
Okay, so way back 2020 to 2024, you worked for 4 years as what? It didn't state it here in your bio data, but Can I know what is your working experience way back 2020 to 2024 for 4 years?
I was a business process associate at Accenture Philippines. Here a branch in Lawag, Ilocos Norte.
You are a business
I
process
have
associate.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, you have any working experience as a housemate?
Not formally, but I had it part time before during my day offs when I was staying in Ilocos Norte.
Okay, so your field is quite different from being a domestic helper, okay? So,
Yes,
how will
ma'am.
you gonna convince later to the employer that you know how to do the chores or you know how to cook, you do the laundry? How will you gonna convince those employers to take you because knowing that your working experience is quite away from what you are applying for right now?
Okay. I may have applied my work or my work experience may not be related to home or household works. However, I am a farmer, daughter of a farmer. We do not have any luxury in life, so we have to do it on our own. And I am already skilled into that. And since I have already working before at office and also taking a part time when I don't have a or I was a day off or I have in a vacation time as well. I have already know what to do with the works, cleaning, laundry, as well as babysitting. And also I have my grandmother before. I have already taken care of an elderly for 15 years. He was bedridden, and I have managed to work into that.
Okay, so you need to fasten your seatbelt. You know that you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching or terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Okay?
Okay,
Are you
I
ready for
know.
any task that the employer will be given to you? You know that being an OFW, being a domestic helper, is very tough. Knowing that this is your first time working abroad and you know frequently homesickness will strike you anytime, anywhere, then how will you gonna handle it later?
As for homesickness, I have already been away from home since pandemic when I was staying at Ilocos Norte. So I am already used to that feeling. I have already overcome that feeling. And as for working internationally, I have already been, though it was all virtually before when I was working in office, I have been managed to work with clients internationally, foreigners. I have already known since it was in Malaysia. I quite know some of their cultures, such as Asian, Malay, and Chinese are some of their race there. So I know how to handle or I know how to socialize with them already.
Okay, so are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. I have already done that since I have a niece and nephew before. I already used to working and taking care of children as well.
Okay, so can you take care elderly people?
Yes, I do.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am. I've already done that.
So can you cook?
Sorry, ma'am. What was
Can
it?
you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Cook.
I do.
Okay. What variety of cuisine you can prepare then?
Ma'am, what is it?
What variety of cuisine you can prepare if you know how to cook?
Uh, as for I already know some basic Filipino cuisine.
Okay.
I have
So, but are
also been
you willing
trying
to
some of
learn some
the.
new recipes?
Yes, ma'am. I do.
Okay. Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am. We do have pets.
Okay. So, usage of mobile hand phone, you know that you cannot hold your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day. Okay? And You
Yes,
will
ma'am,
render
I
your
understand.
phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. Employer will going to compensate once you will going to work on your rest day. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Okay, because we want to be specific in our initial interview, it's either you agree or you disagree. If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines so that you cannot give us problem. But if you agree with our terms and conditions, then you can come, don't give us trouble. And then you need to work properly, yeah? Always remind
Yes, ma'am.
yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you have a goals in your life. You cannot bring what you are doing in the Philippines here in Malaysia, okay? Because Philippines you can be the boss, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and you need to respect their culture, okay?
Okay, ma'am, I understand.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Excel agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so much.
much and have a good day.
Have a good
Bye.
day too, ma'am. Thank you. Bye.